everyone, I am Anish Bhattacharya, and in this video I am going to show you how you can disable Delta CRL on your root CA as well as on your issuing CA. So first is you need to log into your issuing CA, can go to your command prompt and type this command which basically disables your Delta CRL publication from your registry settings. If you do this, this actively works. So previously it was enabled, the value was set to 1. Now we set it to 0. Now another way is you can basically go to your Certsvc, which you can also go through using your server manager. You can expand this, go to revoke certificates, right click and go to properties. Here you need to uncheck this. If this was already enabled, if I set this to 1 and I go to the properties of this, you can see that this is already checked. That means if it is enabled or the value is set to 1, then this will be checked, and if we uncheck this, then Delta CRLs will not be published. You can simply click on apply and restart your CA. So I will stop this and I can start it. Now if we publish a new CRL, you can see Delta CRL is now disabled. It is grayed out. We can simply click on OK and this will publish a new CRL. If we go into our Certenrol folder, which is located on C, Windows, System32, Certsvc, Certenrol, we can see that the Delta CRL is present over there. If we simply delete it and then publish a new CRL, the Delta CRL doesn't come here anymore. Now you might be considering deleting your Delta CRL overall. So if you are unchecking this box which won't publish your Delta CRL, you might also want to delete your Delta CRLs from the Certenrol folder as well to make your system a little bit cleaner. That should be it from my side. Thank you once again, and I will see you in the next video.